Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe too, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's just keep it as simple, short and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, have Tezos or Xtz with the USDT, the Tether token, or basically the stable coin. Basically Tezos is hitting a price of right around $3.05. Today we are down 8 cents or approximately 2.5% to the downside. So this is how it looks like on the charts. So we can basically say that we're in a kind of a descending triangle, but at this point we have a zone below that, and I think this yellow zone right there, not I think, but in my eyes, this is basically a buy zone. Everything that goes in below in that yellow zone, this is where you want to buy. And this is just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor though, but this is how it look and the price at the moment. And I think at some point we gotta break through that triangle, pass through some highs if we want to push through this high right here at 4 and 12. If we push through that, boy are we gonna be going to the upside, and I will be pretty happy with that. Right now we're basically in a downside trend. So yeah, this is basically the update. Basically the same, but I just want to explain for those who don't know what's going on, and the price is not actually the same. But yeah, this is basically it, guys. If you want to support the channel, just smash that like button, it will help me out a lot. And if you want to learn some free stuff, go into the links in the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for sticking till the end. Peace out and have a great day.